Hello viewers, I'm Kausalya. Today we are going to solve example 7 in chapter 4 quadratic equation. This problem can be solved by two methods. First I start with method 1. Solve the equation by the method of completing the square. So here we are given with a quadratic equation, and when you look carefully there is some coefficient of x square. So here in this problem, what is the coefficient of x square? It is 2. So the method of completing, that is solving a problem by using the method of completing the square, is bit different, but it is easy. So here what we are doing is, I am going to divide this entire quadratic equation by 2. Why 2? Because here the coefficient of x square is 2. So when you divide this equation by 2, what happens? You see, so this 2 and 2 they get cancelled. So here I am having x square, and here I am having minus 5 by 2x plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. So here from this equation, you see this is of the format a square, and this second thing represents 2ab. So here in this case, in the place of a, here we have x. So now we are going to equate the coefficient of x, or we are going to equate these two terms. So here in this equation, what is a? A is nothing but x. So see here a equal to x, therefore 2ab, that is 2xb is equal to 5 by 2x. Or you can simply equate 2b equal to 5 by 2. Okay, if you are clear, you can do this directly. Now finally you see x and x, they will cancel. Now 2b is equal to 5 by 2. What about the value of b? I am going to move this 2 to the right hand side. Here it is in the multiplication part. So here it occupies the denominator term. That is 5 divided by 2 into 2, which gives you 5 by 4. So now the value of b is 5 by 4. Then what about the value of b square? That is 5 square by 4 square, which is 25 by 16. Now we are going to rewrite this equation. So watch this thing carefully here. You see this is our equation. So just write it down. X square minus 5 by 2x plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. Now we are going to rewrite this equation. How we are going to rewrite? You see, now we have calculated the value of b square. The original equation has only a square minus 2ab. But anyway, here we need a b square term to write this entire expression in the form of a minus b whole square. So here you see I am writing the first two terms as such, x square minus 5 by 2x, and here I am introducing this b square term. So as I am introducing one term, you see here I am introducing plus 25 by 16. So anyway, whatever may be the thing we do, we should never alter the value of the original equation. This is always mandatory. So here I am introducing plus 25 by 6. Therefore here I am adding another term of minus 25 by 16. So here you see these two terms will cancel, and anyway we will be having the same original equation here. So here I am adding plus b square, and similarly I am including minus b square plus this constant term 3 by 2 equal to 0. Am I making clear? This is very important. And now I am combining these three terms, and I am writing in the format of a minus b whole square. So in the place of a I am having x, and in the place of b, this is not b, this is b square. So what is b? B is 5 by 4. So here I am writing in the format of a minus b the whole square. So in the place of a I am having x, and in the place of b I am having 5 by 4. Or if you have any doubt, you can just write this equation as 5 by 4 whole square minus 5 by 4 whole square. Okay, anyway it is correct. So this is a minus b whole square minus, I am having this term, right, minus 25 by 16 and plus 3 by 2. Now I am going to take LCM for these two terms. So here I am having 16. So let 16 be the denominator part. So here in order to make the denominator 16, I have to multiply by 8. So I am multiplying both the numerator and denominator by 8. So here we have minus 25 and here it is plus 24. Okay, 8 3s are 24. Now minus 25 plus 24 gives you minus 1 as answer. Therefore, minus 1 by 16. We are writing this term as such. X minus 5 by 4 whole square minus 1 by 16 equal to 0. So, when you move this minus 1 by 16 to the right hand side, what happens? Here it becomes plus. Now, we are going to take now we are going to take square root on both sides. So, when you take square root on both sides, what happen? Actually, I have skipped one step, you see. Taking square root on both sides, x minus 5 by 4 whole square equal to 1 by 16, okay, whole square root of 1 by 16. So here you see this square and square root will get cancelled. So here we will be having x minus 5 by 4 which is equal to, whenever the square root is taken, always it is provided with two signs, okay, plus or minus. Square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 16 is 4. So here we have plus or minus 1 by 4. Now how to calculate x? I am going to move this minus 5 by 4 to the right hand side. Thereby it becomes plus 5 by 4. So here just I am splitting this equation and I am writing. Okay, first I am taking plus sign. So 5 by 4 plus 1 by 4. And for the next case it is 5 by 4 minus 1 by 4. So here 5 plus 1. So here it is 5 by 4 plus 1 by 4 which is 6 by 4, and here 5 by 4 minus 1 by 4 which is 4 by 4. So when you simplify, here we get the answer as 3 by 2 and 1. So these are the two roots of the given quadratic equation. So now we are going to verify. That is, we are going to substitute the value of x as 3 by 2 in this quadratic equation. So when you substitute the value, you see 2 into 3 by 2 whole square minus 5 into 3 by 2 plus 3 is equal to 0. So 3 by 2 is nothing but 9 by 4. Okay, we are taking square, right? So again this 2 and 4 they get cancelled and we have 9 by 2 minus 15 by 2 plus 3 equal to 0. So when you take LCM, what happens? 9 minus 15. 3 2s are 6, right? So plus 6 equal to 0 and 9 plus 6 gives you 15. So 15 minus 15 gives you 0 here. So x equal to 3 by 2 is a root. We had verified. Now again we are going to substitute the value of x equal to 1 in this equation. So here we are always selecting the original equation. Keep this in your mind. So when you substitute the value of x equal to 1, again you see what happens. Finally 5 minus 5 which gives 0. So this is one method of solving the given quadratic equation by the method of completing the square. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.